Hello everyone, welcome back to Rosie's Kitchen. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. If you are not yet followed my page, please try to follow my page because you will learn more about modern and traditional food recipes. Guys, today we're gonna make quick jollof rice with cow liver and the chicken. As you guys can see, I'm getting the mix ready. After that, I'm putting the necessary spices. First, I put sliced onion. Now I'm scraping ginger and garlic in it. Before putting 2 cubes of Maggi, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of salt, and the blended pepper. Now I'm going to make sauce for the jollof rice. The oil is already on heat and I pour in the sliced onion before pouring in the crushed tomatoes. After that, I stir it. After stirring it, I add 6 cubes of Maggi and a tablespoon of salt. After that, I keep stirring it for 30 to 35 minutes. "30 to 35 minutes later, I'm dishing little sauce out of it. After that, I add the juice which I seasoned out of the meat. I add blended pepper and the crayfish. After that, I top water to it. After topping water to it, I cover it for 30 to 35 minutes so that the water will get boiled. 30 to 35 minutes later, the water is boiling and I add little more salt to it before pouring in the washed rice in it. After that, I'm going to stir it and cover it for more 40 minutes. "40 minutes later, it is done and I'm adding back the sauce which I dish out earlier. After that, I stir it. Wow, the rice is ready. Here it is, looking delicious and yummy. Guys, this is good. This is good. Super delicious and tasty. Guys, this method of jollof rice is quick one. You can give it a try. Just try it. Yummy, yummy. After watching this video, guys, if you really love what I'm doing, please try to follow Rosie's Kitchen. If you are not yet followed, you won't regret it. Guys, I'm really enjoying it. This jollof rice is superb. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please, after watching, like, share and comment. Do not forget to turn on your notification button so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye bye. Super delicious.